Hey guys, Rich Claypool, your retirement and insurance specialist. Hey, I wanted to share something with you. September is Life Insurance Awareness Month. And if you're like most people, life insurance is the last thing you want to think about. But it's the first thing when you hear that somebody has passed away. But did you know that life insurance is more than just a death benefit? There's something that's called living benefits. And this term has been so loosely used in the industry, I want to give a little bit of clarity to what I'm talking about. See, this could be a term, this could be a whole life, this could be an index universal life. And if you don't know the differences, let's schedule time so I can explain that to you. I believe that people are just uneducated when it comes to life insurance and all that it can do for you. But life insurance with living benefits is a life insurance policy that has riders. One is a critical illness. That's like your heart attacks, your strokes, your cancers. See, I'm very, very passionate about this. Why? Just give you a couple examples. Had a client that I met. She became one of my good friends. She was a massage therapist. And, she heard me talking about living benefits. And she goes, Rich, I don't have any life insurance whatsoever. And I said, okay, let's go ahead and sit down. Let's kind of figure out what your needs are. We have some methods that we go ahead and figure out what your need is and then make sure you can afford that. Well, she could afford a $150,000 policy on a 15-year. She was almost 60 years old. She was only paying, I think, maybe $55 a month. So not too bad, right? Well, unfortunately, about a year and a half uh, uh, earlier, or a year and a half ago, she called me up and she said, hey, didn't those benefits that we did with the life insurance, don't they have something to do with cancer? And I said, yeah, they do. And I said, what's going on? And she goes, well, I've been diagnosed with cancer. And so by the time that, we got all the paperwork and all that kind of stuff, Kate was not doing very well. And long story short, my wife and I, we went to her house. We helped her fill out the paperwork. She was able to get 140,000 of her $150,000 life insurance policy advanced to her 100% tax free. What that allowed her to do was stay in her house, pay her bills. And she had the medical insurance for the procedures, but what about all the out of pocket costs? See, that's what life insurance with living benefits can do for you. Unfortunately, 9 months later, my friend lost her life, but she had everything set up and she was able to use the insurance when she needed it most. And that's when she wasn't able to work. Even if you have short-term or long-term disability, guys, that's only about 60 cents on the dollar. Where's that other 40 cents, 40% going to come from? Are you going to have to withdraw from your IRAs, your 403Bs? Is it to go into more credit card debt? Is it to refinance the house? See, everything that we as middle income Americans work for is we're draining all of our accounts. See, life insurance is the cheapest form of capital because it basically costs you pennies on the dollar. You get hundreds of thousands of dollars. I have another client that just about 4 months ago got a check for $62,000, stage 2 cancer, right? And so, guys, what I'm saying is life insurance is Life Insurance Awareness Month, but it's more than just death benefit. If you'd like to know more about this, I'd love to have a conversation with you. I'm all about educating people on the need for life insurance. I call it the bubble wrap of your entire financial plan, because everything is based upon you bringing in money, paying the bills, paying the rent, paying the mortgage, funding your retirement, your insurance premiums. Everything you do has to do with that paycheck. Let's protect it. The best way to do that is to protect it with life insurance with living benefits. This being Life Insurance Awareness Month, I just wanted to bring this to you. Guys, I'm honored to sit down with you. I'm honored to take care of your retirement. But let's not forget the most important piece of that financial plan. That's life insurance with living benefits.